Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth. Tilray traders and investors, it's Rod with POW Group, your home for MJ Stocks, crypto assets, news and interviews. It is Monday. Happy Monday, October 6th. Hope you had a great weekend. Still a little under the weather, so we'll get through this as best I can today. We're going to be taking a look at TLRY. We'll bring up the price chart, give my thoughts and opinions on the technicals. We hit 152 USD today, and the bottom could very well be getting close to hourly oversold. So we'll take a look at the technicals. I'll give my thoughts and opinions on the price action in the days, weeks, months ahead. But as always, make sure to smash the like. If you're new, you can subscribe. Oh man, my throat is absolutely killing me. And if you're new, you can subscribe. Tick the bell. You'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live. And full disclosure, I do own Tilray. It's my largest MJ holding. Follow us over on X as well, formerly Twitter. The handle for that is @GroupPow. Going to be using that as one of my platforms of choice going forward. And speaking of X, I just posted on here as well. I was notified over the weekend that my Tilray video, my top 3 favorite products video, was flagged as a warning on my channel. So that sucks. Unfortunately, I guess they don't like whenever you take a retailer's website and show access to that. So lesson learned, I guess, but I just posted on X. If you just go over here to my profile and scroll down, I said, since YouTube removed my favorite video, my top 3 favorite products from Tilray currently are the Space Age Cake, which is the flour. Number 2 favorite is Cream Soda Zero XMG beverage. And my absolute favorite at the moment is the Purple Churro Blunties. So if you haven't tried those, you can check them out for yourself and see if they end up becoming some of your new favorite products. But let me know your top 3 favorite Tilray products in the comment section below. And I want to remind everybody as well that I posted this video last week saying that Tilray Brands was more than likely going to hit 140 USD first, and then we could see a potential blast off. We had VFF absolutely ripping again today. It was up over 20% at one point, but we'll take a look at that. Maybe on the next video, I'll probably do another video here shortly after that, and we'll take a look at that separately. And as a reminder, I posted this video as well late last week that Tilray Brands is set to release its Q1 2026 earnings. So if you haven't seen this earnings prep video, I go over all of the analyst estimates and I add them up and we get a consensus from Wall Street. So that way you know what to expect in terms of the numbers for the revenue and earnings per share, so EPS. So if you haven't seen that, you can check it out. And again, that's going to be on Thursday pre-market, and I'll be doing a live stream as well with the conference call. So you can tune into that. Make sure you have the bell ticked so you'll be notified. And then obviously I'll be doing a video afterwards reviewing their earnings. So this was the hourly time frame that I was showing, the descending triangle. We had a measured move down to around 148, so that's why I was expecting somewhere around that 148 level, 140, and then blast off, and that would put us somewhere around hourly oversold as well. And then to start the day today, we had an EMA 12 and 26 bear cross, which added more bearish momentum to start the day. And like I said, we could be heading toward hourly oversold. I wouldn't bet on us printing it just because we've had such a huge move, and the whole stock market, like, right, we have the S&P 500 all-time highs, you've got Bitcoin all-time highs, everything's just super frothy at the moment. So I wouldn't expect us to get too oversold, but I do think that we could potentially be seeing the bottom very, very soon. We hit 152, which was the low of the day today, and double bottom there on a couple hourly candles. So like I said, in terms of that percentage of the hourly descending triangle, we came within about 2.8%. So a lot of people are asking me, do we absolutely have to go to 140? Absolutely not, right? We could, as long as we hold 144, that's the most important factor, because that's going to be the hourly bull flag. We already confirmed the hourly bull flag. We just didn't completely get to the target of 210. So I want to see us hold 144. But yeah, don't be surprised if we do see about another 3 to 5% of downside into tomorrow. And like I said, scouting that bottom as we get potentially to hourly oversold here. But again, on the weekly time frame, we're just looking at this weekly bull flag, and we're still holding it, and the target is 290. And if you look at VFF today, and again, I'll do a separate video, but it had one bull flag here on the weekly, a second one here on the weekly, and a third one that's forming. And all we have to do is break 339. We hit 344. So we actually broke that key resistance there at 339. And we're looking at a measured move up to 716 on VFF. So that's a great sign for the rest of the sector as well. We know that VFF was sort of the leader, and Tilray acting as a laggard. So the fact that we had multiple weekly bull flags confirm on VFF increases the odds that we're going to see that on Tilray as well. And we have the stochastic flipped back into bull mode, and we have some runway there until the 200 weekly at 249. So I do think that It's possible that we see a little bit more downside. Like I said, getting close to that hourly oversold, somewhere around that 148 to 144 area would be a nice area to target as a potential temporary bottom here. And then, like I said, get that weekly bull flag confirmed. And if we get some sort of announcement at some point soon with regards to rescheduling, that would obviously be the catalyst to get us there. All right, going in it there. I made it through the video today. I'm feeling absolutely terrible still. It's like the longest lingering cold ever. So 'tis the season, I guess. Pretty much everybody I know is sick at the moment. Hopefully you didn't get hit with the plague, but yeah, it was a brutal end of the week last week and just carried into the weekend, and I thought it'd be over by now, but hopefully I'll be back to my regular self in the next day or two. All right, it's Rod with the Power Group. Thanks again for joining us in the pursuit of wealth. We'll catch you on the next one.